Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to find your iPhone even when it's powered off. So to enable this feature on your iPhone, or to make sure that it is enabled, you're gonna have to go to Settings menu, then tap on your account's name, and then select your Find My menu, and in Find My, go to Find My iPhone, and make sure that this feature is switched on. Find My network and send last location, all these features are switched on. After that, even if you turn off your iPhone, you'll be able to find it using other device of yours. To do this, you can either open Find My Device application on your other iPhone or any other Apple device, or alternatively, you can go to the iCloud.com/find and select your iPhone from the list once you sign into your Apple account. So on your other iPhone, you're gonna have to open Find My application, and one important notice that your iPhone should either belong to the same family or have to be signed into to the same account as your last one. And then in order to find your iPhone, just select it on the list, and then as you can see, it is turned off. If we try to play sound on it, it will simply not do it because iPhone is turned off. But in case you are away from your iPhone, you can use directions, tap directions, and see the directions and the way to reach your iPhone. And also you can enable lost mode right here, and that's basically it. So that's how you can find your lost iPhone even if it's turned off. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.